Hi guys, we have this assorted cookies. Wait! Assorted cookies from kanino galing to? This is from
Cookie.
This is from Babyliss Daddy. Ninong.
Babyliss.
Okay, ito try namin ni Ayeng.
Langguli.
Yes, wait. We have 3 flavors. What color is this?
Pink.
The pink one,
The purple one.
the purple one, and the
Gold one.
gold one. Let's start.
Let's try this.
Okay. Wait. Sabay tayo. Wait lang. Okay. Try namin ni Ayeng. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nahagi yung pick ko. Sarap. Butter. Tastes like
butter.
Sarap. Kain na.
My favorite is the pink one. Just
Sarap. Yummy. Okay, the next one is
the purple.
okay. Open. Pareho lang sila. Pareho lang sila ng color.
Opo.
Meron siyang something. It has, I think that's chocolate. Excuse me. Dun ka.
It has chocolate.
Let's see. Meron siyang choco, I think, or this is this a choco or a raisins inside?
I don't know.
Doon ka, Pepper.
The pepper.
Okay.
No, the pepper. Pepper! Stop! Tastes like blueberry.
I think that's blueberry. Blueberry siya. It's not raisins, it's not chocolate. It's
Blueberry!
Yum. Yummy.
The next one is, the last one is strawberry.
I think.
Okay.
I just guess it.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh, you're wrong. Look.
Oh,
It's
black and it's chocolate.
Chocolate, I think. That's right.
That flavor is chocolate. You're right.
Wow. I like this one. It's chocolate and
I like this one.
you like the purple one? Yeah. This one is chocolate.
$3.58.
Oh, yeah.